All right, guys, so today we're going to be talking financing and the three different types of loans that are typically offered when it comes to home service financing. All right, guys, so the first one that we have up here is called fixed APR. I'm sure a lot of you guys are familiar with this. It's basically just your standard loan. It's going to have a certain amount of months, meaning your term. It's going to have a fixed interest percentage, and it's going to have lower dealer fees associated with it. So for our top two most popular fixed APR loans, we have a 9.99% loan for 60 months and for 120 months, and it has a $0 dealer fee associated with it. So the lending service does not require you to add any amount onto the payment. The second type is called a deferred payment. So it's either deferred payment or deferred payment plus interest. The ones that we offer are actually payment plus interest. So this right here is really, really good for people that are going through the insurance process. So say we have a storm come through, or you had a storm come through last year. You file a claim. The whole process is kind of dragging on, but you really want to go ahead and get your roof done. What we can do right here is we can go ahead, finance the roof, go ahead and get it done, and then you have 12 months to pay off the loan in full. And if you do, you don't have to pay any interest on that loan. So you have 12 months of no payment, and you have 12 months of no interest during that time. So if you pay off the principal of the loan in the first 12 months, you don't owe any interest. This is really good, like I said, for people that are going through the insurance process, because you can go ahead and get the roof done, and then when those checks come in from the insurance company, you have two choices. You can take those checks and you can go ahead and pay off the principal of that loan, or you can be satisfied with the monthly payments that you have, and you can use that money for whatever you want. And then the third down here is called equal payments, right? So this one has really high dealer fees, meaning that the initial fee that we have to tack on in order to even offer you this is really high, but it doesn't have any interest payment on it, right? So it's 0% interest, but the dealer fee is really high. So they make their money on the dealer fee, not on the interest for this one. So between the three, the most popular for someone that's just gonna go ahead and get the retail job done, but they don't necessarily have the cash right now, is this fixed APR. This is going to offer you the lowest dealer fees, it's going to offer you the lowest interest rates, and it's going to lock you into a term that is palatable to you with a nice monthly investment. The second one is good if you're going to have the money 6 months in the future, 12 months in the future, you just don't have it right now, and you want to go ahead and get the job done right now. So this one allows you to go ahead and get the job done right now, pay it off in the future. And this one right here is for all of you out there that just cannot bear the thought of paying interest on something. This one right here has $0 interest, but like I said, it has a higher dealer fee associated with it. So if you like this kind of content about helping you learn things about your home and how to do things yourself, and how to make your money go the furthest for you, consider us giving us a follow on TikTok, on LinkedIn, on Facebook. That's at Big Time Roof LLC. And you can subscribe to our YouTube channel where we publish a lot of content just like this. That's youtube.com/Big Time Roof LLC. Thank you guys. Have a great day.